Welcome to Techronicles, your ultimate tech guide. In today's digitally connected world, a home network is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. Imagine a seamless internet connection for all your devices, the convenience of shared resources, and the peace of mind that comes with enhanced security. That's the power of a well-set home network. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey together. Get ready to become your own network engineer as we dive into the world of home networking. So why should you bother setting up a home network? Well, let's dive into the benefits, shall we? First off, a home network provides seamless internet connectivity. This means all your devices, from smartphones to smart fridges, can access the web without a hitch. No more battling for bandwidth or dealing with dodgy connections. Secondly, a home network allows for shared resources. You can print documents from any device, save files to a central location, and even stream media across devices. It's like having your own private cloud. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, a home network offers enhanced security features. You can control who has access to your network, monitor activity, and protect your devices from online threats. In essence, setting up a home network streamlines your digital life, keeps your devices interconnected and secure, and gives you more control over your online environment. Sounds good, right? Let's see what you need to get started. Before we start, gather all the necessary equipment. Now let's dive into the essential equipment needed to set up a home network. First up, you'll need a router. This is the hub of your home network, connecting all your devices to the internet. Next, you'll need a modem. This nifty device translates data from your internet service provider into a format your router can use. Then, there are Ethernet cables. These are the lifelines of your network, connecting your router to your modem and other wired devices. Additionally, you might need some optional devices. For instance, a network switch can help if you have more wired devices than your router can handle. Or a wireless access point can expand your Wi-Fi coverage to those hard-to-reach corners of your home. Remember, each home network setup is unique, so your equipment needs might vary. With these tools at hand, you're ready to start setting up your home network. Now let's walk through the process of setting up your home network. First off, we begin by connecting your modem to the internet. Unpack your modem and connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the port on your modem marked Internet or Cable. Plug the modem into a power source and give it a few moments to boot up. Next, we move on to connecting your router. Using an Ethernet cable, connect one end to the port on your modem labeled Ethernet, and the other end to the port on your router, labeled Internet or WAN. Just like the modem, plug your router into a power source and wait for it to start up. Now, with the hardware set up, let's move on to the software part. Most routers come with a preset Wi-Fi network and password. You can find these details on the router itself or in the accompanying manual. Connect your computer or smartphone to this network. Once connected, we need to access the router's settings. Open any web browser and enter the IP address of your router into the address bar. This is usually something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If you're unsure, check your router's manual. You'll be prompted for a username and password. Again, this information can be found in your router's manual. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various settings. Here, you can rename your Wi-Fi network and set a new password. Remember to choose a strong password to ensure your network is secure. After setting up your Wi-Fi network, you can connect all your devices to it. For wired devices like desktop computers or gaming consoles, use an Ethernet cable to connect them to one of the LAN ports on your router. For wireless devices like laptops, smartphones or tablets, simply connect them to your Wi-Fi network using the password you set. Finally, it's a good idea to update your router's firmware to ensure you have the latest security updates and features. You can usually find this option in the router's settings dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your home network. But what if something goes wrong? Sometimes things don't go as planned. Don't worry, we've got you covered. When setting up a home network, you might run into a few hiccups. Maybe your devices aren't connecting to the network, or perhaps the connection keeps dropping. These are common issues, but there are solutions. Try rebooting your router or checking your cables for any physical damage. If your device still isn't connecting, ensure it's within range of your router, or consider adding a wireless extender to boost your network's reach. Now, let's talk about something equally important: security. Your home network is like your house. You wouldn't leave your front door open, would you? Similarly, leaving your network unprotected is an open invitation to intruders. So here's how to keep the digital doors locked. First, ensure you have a strong, unique password for your network. No, password 123 doesn't cut it. Consider using a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, regularly change your passwords to keep potential snoopers on their toes. Second, enable encryption on your network. This is like putting a secret code on your messages that only your devices can understand. Most routers support WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, so make sure it's turned on. Lastly, keep your router's firmware up to date. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities, making your network harder to breach. With these tips, you can troubleshoot issues and secure your network like a pro. And that's it. You've learned how to set up and secure your home network. We've covered the basics, from the essential equipment you need like a router, modem, and Ethernet cables, to the detailed step-by-step guide on how to set everything up. We've also touched upon some common issues you might face, and shared some tricks to troubleshoot them. Remember, security is paramount. Always use strong passwords and enable encryption to keep your network safe from intruders. Having your own home network not only gives you seamless internet connectivity, but also allows for shared resources like printers and files, and gives you enhanced security features. Now it's your turn. Take what you've learned today and set up your own home network. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be disheartened if you encounter some bumps along the way. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Techronicles for more tech tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.